Again, we see a lot of negative delta, right? 5 for 0, 117 for 14, 79 for 17, right? So we see a lot of aggressive sellers that were unable to initially break the zone. So who is in control of the zone, right? I want you to kind of break this down, right? You come into a fair value gap, you see more aggressive sellers than buyers. This shows us that there's passive buyers over here. So this shows us that the zone is being controlled by buyers. It is a demand area or a demand zone. We don't want to be selling at this point. Now from here, we see the market opening and we see a lot of aggressive sellers, which actually were rewarded with follow through, right? So we see a follow through, we see price really melting below the zone. What does that tell me? So as a trader, that tells me that there's more, yes, there's more aggressive buyers and sellers, but the aggressive sellers, there's more aggressive sellers than buyers, but now we see price is rewarding the sellers, right? Previously, these sellers weren't rewarded. Now they have been rewarded. So it shows me my bias wants to be switching from bullish to bearish as we see the follow through with negative delta. More aggressive sellers than aggressive buyers. Now here's the kicker. This is what I want traders to understand. Look at how the market was behaving just above this level, right? And just in the level as well. So we want to be focusing on the retest area. So the retest area is what's very important to understand, right? So this retest area is essentially the gray box, right? We want to see what was going on, right? So why was it valid to take a short position just below the level, right? When you saw this big kind of red candle over here, stop loss above this level, and we're simply looking to target the following level down